Not every BMW earns a reputation for reliability. In fact, some models have given the brand a bad name over the years, but others have done exactly the opposite, quietly proving themselves mile after mile and earning the trust of owners who wouldn't hesitate to buy them again. These are the BMW X-Series models that consistently deliver the performance, comfort, and driving experience people expect, without becoming constant headaches. So if you're looking for an SUV that can put a smile on your face instead of draining your wallet, this countdown is for you. Here are 4 BMW X-Series models that never let their owners down. Number 4. The BMW X1 E84. While most people focus on the newer X1, the first-generation E84 has quietly earned a reputation as one of the most dependable BMW crossovers ever built. Produced from 2013 to 2015, in its final and most refined years, it offered something many modern luxury SUVs struggle to match: simplicity. The model worth looking for is the xDrive 35i, powered by BMW's smooth and capable N55 turbocharged inline-six. It delivers strong performance, proven durability when properly maintained, and a driving experience that feels far more connected than many compact SUVs on the road today. One of the biggest reasons owners love the E84 is that it still feels like a traditional BMW. It sends power to the rear wheels as its primary layout, offers responsive steering, and feels more like a sporty wagon than a typical crossover. Inside, the cabin is straightforward, comfortable, and built with controls that are easy to use without relying on oversized touchscreens. Like any older BMW, regular maintenance is essential. Items like the cooling system, valve cover gasket, and suspension components should be inspected as mileage increases, but compared to many luxury SUVs from the same era, these are predictable maintenance items rather than major design flaws. That's why so many long-term owners continue to praise the E84. It may not be the newest BMW X-Series model, but it's one that has consistently proven it won't let its owners down. Number 3. The BMW X4 F26. When BMW introduced the X4, a lot of people questioned its purpose. Many saw it as nothing more than an X3 with a sloping roof and assumed it sacrificed practicality for style. But over time, owners discovered something different. Produced from 2015 to 2018, the F26 became one of BMW's most satisfying SUVs to own, offering a combination of sporty handling, premium comfort, and impressive long-term reliability. The version worth targeting is the xDrive 35i, powered by BMW's proven N55 turbocharged inline-six. This engine delivers smooth acceleration, plenty of power for everyday driving, and a reliability record that has earned the respect of BMW enthusiasts when properly maintained. Paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission, it creates a driving experience that feels refined, responsive, and effortlessly quick. The X4 also stands out because it never forgets it's a BMW. The steering feels precise, the chassis is well balanced, and it handles winding roads with confidence despite being an SUV. At the same time, it offers a premium interior, comfortable seating, and enough practicality for daily life, making it much more than just a stylish alternative. Like any luxury vehicle, regular maintenance is still part of ownership, but the F26 has avoided many of the serious reliability concerns that hurt the reputation of some other BMW models. That's why so many owners continue to hold on to theirs for years. It may not have been the most popular choice when it was new, but it's certainly one of the BMW X-Series models that has consistently refused to let its owners down. Number 2. The BMW X3 F25. If there's one BMW SUV that quietly built a loyal following, it's the F25 Generation X3. Produced from 2015 to 2017 in its final facelift years, this generation struck an impressive balance between everyday practicality, driving enjoyment, and long-term dependability. It may not get as much attention as the newer G01, but ask many long-term owners and they'll tell you it's one of the most satisfying BMW SUVs they've ever owned. The version to look for is the xDrive 35i, powered by the N55 turbocharged inline-six. This engine delivers smooth, effortless power and has earned a solid reputation when maintained properly. Combined with BMW's excellent 8-speed automatic transmission, the F25 feels refined on the highway, responsive around town, and surprisingly fun on winding roads. Beyond its performance, the F25 excels as a daily driver. It offers comfortable seating, generous cargo space, and a cabin that's well built without being overly complicated. Unlike many newer luxury SUVs packed with unnecessary technology, the F25 keeps things simple enough to make ownership less stressful, while still feeling modern and upscale. No BMW is completely maintenance-free, and the F25 still requires routine care, especially as mileage increases. But major issues are relatively uncommon on well-maintained examples, and that's one of the biggest reasons owners continue to recommend it. Years after it left the showroom, the F25 remains one of those rare luxury SUVs that consistently exceeds expectations and proves that reliability and driving enjoyment really can go hand in hand. Number 1. The BMW X5 E70. When people talk about reliable BMW SUVs, this generation doesn't always get the credit it deserves. But if you focus on the later model years, specifically from 2011 to 2013, the story changes completely. By then, BMW had refined the platform, improved many of the earlier issues, and paired it with the N55 turbocharged inline-six, creating one of the most dependable luxury SUVs of its era. The xDrive 35i is the model smart buyers should look for. The N55 delivers smooth, confident performance, plenty of power for daily driving, and a much stronger reliability record than some of BMW's older turbocharged engines. Whether you're commuting, taking long road trips, or driving through bad weather, the X5 feels solid, comfortable, and incredibly well built. What really sets the E70 apart is how complete it feels. It offers a spacious interior, high-quality materials, excellent ride comfort, and driving dynamics that still hold up remarkably well today. Even by modern standards, it feels composed and refined, reminding you why the X5 became one of BMW's most successful SUVs. Like any vehicle that's over a decade old, buying a well-maintained example is essential. Regular servicing and a documented maintenance history make all the difference. But owners who took care of their E70 have often been rewarded with years of dependable service, and many say they would gladly buy another one. That's why the X5 E70 takes the top spot on this list. It didn't just meet owners' expectations, it earned their loyalty, making it one of the BMW X-Series models that truly never let them down. And there you have it, 4 BMW X-Series models that have earned the trust of their owners year after year. While no vehicle is completely maintenance-free, these SUVs have proven that choosing the right generation and engine can make all the difference. They deliver the comfort, performance, and driving experience people expect from BMW without the constant headaches many buyers fear. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which of these BMW X-Series models would you choose, and is there another one you think deserved a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more BMW buying guides, reliability rankings, and smart luxury car recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.